Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to set up a data collection instrument within ARMATURE Fabric. ARMATURE Fabric is Armature's software product for accreditation and certification management. So let's dive in. I'm going to go up to Setup here and I'm going to go to Instruments. And I am going to select an instrument that I already partially started, is a self-study for medical education. And what you'll see is I've already set up some different pages here, and I'm on the page entitled Leadership. And I've added a question already, which is describe the qualifications of the Dean of your medical school. I'm now going to add another question, and I will be faced with a number of choices, and in this case I'm going to choose a table question. And I'm going to have 3 columns and I'm going to have 5 rows, and I'd like to make that first row a header. So I'm going to apply that change. I'm going to add in a question number, and I'm going to add in a question, list the type and number of staff in your administration team. Okay. Then I'm going to add here the category. I'm going to add number, and I'm going to add some general comments. Okay, so let's put in this category associate or assistant deans, unit leadership, senior admin staff, and and then what I can do is I can select these columns, and I'd like to be able to make those number columns. So I'm going to change the category right here to number, and I'm going to apply those changes. And the comments fields, they are going to be narrative fields. So I'm going to choose text, and I'm going to choose narrative, and I'm going to apply those changes. And now I have a table that lists each category. It gives the ability to put in a number and comments. And actually on the comments field, I would like to change the width of that field to 50% and apply that, and it restructures that table slightly for me. So I'm saving it now. Then I'm going to add another question type, and this question will be a choice question, and so we'll just call that question 3, and we'll say, does your medical school conduct annual security audits? In this case, I'd like this to be a simple yes/no choice question, so I'm going to add some choices in here. Yes and no, and I am going to save that, and you will now see that there is a drop down option. You can have various different options, so I could create this, for example, as radio buttons. Let me save that, and various different options. So I can create each page with as many questions as I like within that, and ultimately I can then prepare that to submit to schools who may be seeking accreditation. There are many more things that you can do within ARMATURE Fabric, such as branching questions, such as calculations, scoring, ratios. I won't go into those today. My goal was really just to show you how simple it is to create for yourself a data collection instrument within ARMATURE Fabric. Thank you for watching.